chicken lo mein is ready in 25 minutes. I'll show you how to make juicy chicken bouncy noodles and the secret that makes it restaurant quality. Stick around and see the simple trick that takes it to the next level. Slice the chicken breast against the grain into about 1/4 inch slices. Chicken breast has a long muscle fibers. If you slice along the grain, the cooked chicken will be tougher and chewier. And we're gonna place the sliced chicken in a mixing bowl, sprinkle with salt, and mix thoroughly until the chicken absorbs all the salt. Salt enhances flavor, draw moistures in, and slightly break down muscle fibers to tenderize the chicken. White pepper adds a mild heat. Soy sauce provides saltiness and umami. Dark soy sauce deepens the color. Shaoxing wine enhances the aroma. Egg white tenderizes the chicken. Cornstarch seals in the moisture. Oil locks in the moisture and prevents sticking during the cooking. Mix everything together. Marinate the chicken while working on the other ingredients. You can also marinate it for longer if you have more time. Cut the onion, carrot, cabbage, scallions, and garlic. To save more time, you could also grab a salad mix. To make the sauce, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken stock. You can also replace it with water. We are using fresh lo mein noodles. They are available in most Chinese supermarkets in the refrigerated section. If you can't find them, don't worry. You can replace them with any type of noodles or pasta, such as udon, ramen, or angel hair pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein noodles in the pot and cook for about 3 minutes, or just until al dente. Be careful not to overcook. They will continue cooking during stir-frying. Transfer the noodles to cold water. This stops cooking and helps prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. In a wok over high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated chicken and stir-fry until cooked through for about 3 minutes. Add the garlic and stir-fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. In the same wok over high heat, add another tablespoon of oil. Toss in the onion, carrot, and cabbage. Stir-fry until lightly softened, about 1 minute. Remove and set aside. In the same wok over high heat, add another tablespoon of oil. Add the lo mein noodles and cook until aromatic. Return the chicken, vegetables, and sauce. Quickly stir-fry for another 1 minute. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. And that's it! Dinner is done in 25 minutes. This chicken lo mein is one of my family's weeknight favorites, and I hope it becomes yours too. To make it a meal, pair with my 5-minute egg drop soup. Visit here for the recipe. It was absolutely delicious. So comment below and share with us, would you give this homemade lo mein a try, or just stick with your favorite takeout? If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. Everything is step by step and easy to follow. I'll see you again in the next episode. Right?